Kisamla puli kan thei bat senrang ki badan hadu lai spa khnai phuwei menta kasi ka lai phu tre yong ki la yo ching thu bukarpang na right love and social cultural organization halo ka jingle bha ka jongki ya ki examen pair ha ka bala sha pun kuburam ya ka ni ki jing pun kuburam la pun long right love and social cultural organization ha po ka jelam ba san board silai kum president bat kum ju ru omeli ka 19 sau shilong ha ka ba Alexander Hek ulwan ban long kum kongsan ba kum ju ru ha ka jiran lang ba Anes Mori kum sumbut kongsan ya ka ni ki jing pun kuburam na tip kum ka 18 Meritorious Award for Student 2022 yang pala penlong daga Right Love and Social Cultural Organization hak jite kat bat ka sarkar jela hak ni jing ko borom kladan hadu absan ngut ki samla ki bade ki topa hak examen pair kile op diang daga laptop no basan bor harang kat bat ka jing ai sungba habakran hak jelang ubah hek labu jing pat seboro ki samla puli ki blasa pun ko borom kinai tang bat nang le ba susu hak ki si banwan hak jing puli ki jongki khnang ba ka wei ka singi paparo ka jing nut ka jongki kan ulong.
He had distinction in physics, English. The following students can be
Look at.
What is that holistic approach? A good human being. What Pastor Goran said in his speech when he was giving his welcome speech. We have to be good human being. Be secular. It cannot be a criminal. That the spirit and the message as goals should go and also inculcate in the minds of our young students today. We need to inculcate or imbibe the spirits of the great human being. Today we want to produce also the country, our state, our country. Of course we need a good and meritorious student. At the same time also we need a greater required today the desire of the society today. We need a great human being, a human being who respects the others. We are all human beings created by the same God as I said by your president, by Honorable MLA from the Lawan constituency. We should be secular, not communal. Communal cannot be accepted in our society today. No hatred can be accepted in our society today. First we are human beings, the rest all will be followed. So my young student, I know you are going to pursue your education from one class to another class, you bring up and up and up. But remember once, when you bring up and up and up, your leg is always on the ground.